This is another free tool. It is called a free size chart generator. Here you can generate a size chart like for this one. It will be this size for medium, for large, for extra large. And for pants, there is this size chart. For shoes, you're following this size chart. For example, number 9 in US is equivalent to number 8.5 in UK. Here are some variations, and the foot length is also given. You can convert that into centimeter as well by hitting this button. Here are various presets like for jacket or hat or jeans or leggings, and you can also change the order of these measurement columns. Like, let's say I shift it up, so then it will be shifted in the left side. You can also delete the column, or you can add the column. You can change the name of this size into something custom like capital size. And you can also edit these values if you're not satisfied with them, like these are shoes. Here are decimal numbers. You want to update this foot length. You can change that. I researched a lot before adding these presets, but you can change it in case I'm wrong. And you can also put it up and down. Any more can be shifted up and down. Or you can also add a size. This is for fit size. You can add and delete. You can also change the theme. Here are 4 themes. Later I will add more. Or you can simply change the color. You can also change the font to customize it. Make it your own. Like, let's say I choose this font, and you can also upload your company logo, and that will be shown here. Let me put any random image. I put my company's logo. It is shown at the top. And you can change the title and name, like company name, and you can change the subtitle. And once you are done, you can simply download it as PNG, or you can download it as PDF by hitting this print button, or you can also copy the HTML code and embed it in your Shopify, e-commerce, etc. There will be no watermark. It is completely free here. And here it is, the tutorial how you can use this app. It is completely free. By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects using AI which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.